Okay, we are still in exercise 11.1. We're going to look at number 17. So, number 17, Mr. Bean wants to borrow $7,500 for 3 years. The interest rate is 5.5% compounded monthly. What quarterly payments are required on the loan, and what will be the balance owed on the loan at the start of the third year? So for part A, we're looking to find quarterly payments. Then what is the amount of the payment? So he wants to borrow $7,500, so that means it's a loan. He's going to get the money now. So present value $7,500 for 3 years. So we know the 3 years is going to come into play in calculating our N. So N equals 3 years times, and I just leave that blank until I keep reading. The interest rate is 5.5%, so I/Y equals 5.5, compounded monthly. So compounded monthly means our C/Y equals 12. What quarterly payments? So P/Y equals 4. And then that 4 is the other piece of information we need to calculate our N. So our N is 3 years times 4 payments per year, so N is going to be 12. So we need to calculate the amount of the payment. So here's all the information that we just got from the question, other than remembering to make our future value equal 0. We compute the payment, and the payment amount is $682.53. Now the question asks, what will be the balance owed on the loan at the start of the third year? Well, to figure out that, pretty much all of our information up here remains the same, other than the number of payments that are left. It's 4 payments a year, so with 1 year left, because it's 3 years, and quarterly payments, and at the start of the last year, there'll be 4 payments left. So N is 4. And what we're going to do here is, here we were given a present value. Here we're saying, with the same interest rate, the same payments per year, the same compounding per year, and the same future value, which is 0, there's 4 payments of $682.53 remaining. What is the present value? And this is our answer. So that is the present value of the last 4 payments, or the last year. So again, benefit of using the calculator, all of these numbers stay the same. We don't need to enter anything. We just need to enter in the 2 numbers that have changed, which is the number of payments that are left. And here we know the amount of the payments, of the 4 payments that are left, and we're trying to calculate what would be the present value of the loan at that point in time.